my channel today. I think this is another episode of our physics exercise arena academy. In today's episode, we are going to be taking a look at another interesting thing, which is the mirror. Yeah, we've been seeing mirror for some time now. Most of us have mirror in our homes, in our offices, in our class, and everywhere we use mirror. Even though nowadays we make use of our phone as what mirror. Are you getting why? Because of the slippery surface at the back, and also the front surface is kind of reflective. So we can use that as what a mirror also. Now, I think some of you are new to my channel. That's the first time that will be seeing me. I'll be seeing my face that is here. Here you are what with Search Arena. Now, right here, we are here to what explain the secret behind all these things for you and what you should know in your JAMB, which is going to take place for this year. Thank you so much. Now, talking about mirror. Mirror found its application. One of the major applications about reflection is what mirror. Getting what I'm doing here. Now, you see, a mirror is always formulated from what glass. I guess a transparent material, which is glass. Now, if a glass is being what coated at the back, a glass will have two surfaces. The two surfaces are transparent. So, if one of the transparent surface is what being shaded or coated with some material, also like paint, then it becomes a mirror like this. I have something we can easily solve something like this. We use this as a coating to form a mirror. This is a mirror altogether. Now, there are different kinds of mirror. The function of a mirror is to produce the image of an object. Are you getting me? Now, but a mirror can only produce the image of an object. Are you getting me? Due to the process of reflection. It can produce the image of an object using reflection. That's why I said it's one application in mirror. There are two different kinds of mirror that we have. We can have what we call a plane mirror, and we can have curved mirrors. Curved mirrors. Altogether, we have a plane mirror and a curved mirrors. When we talk about a plane mirror is a mirror that has an infinite radius of curvature. Let me give you something about radius of curvature. If I want to draw a circle must be drawn with a radius. Yes, we have a radius to draw a circle. Perhaps this is the center of the circle. I can draw the circle with this radius that will formulate the circle. So every circle must have a constant radius. Altogether. Now, all mirrors are drawn with the radius. Now, but a plane mirror is always something straight like this. A straight line also has a radius. But the kind of radius that it has is what we call an infinite radius. That's how we said a plane mirror is a mirror that has an infinite radius of curvature. That is for a plane mirror. Then the next one we now call a curved mirror. A curved mirror is a mirror that has a smaller radius of curvature. Altogether, this curved mirror is of two types. We can have the spherical type of a curved mirror, and we have what we call the parabolic type of curved mirror. Majorly parabolic mirrors are the major mirrors that we have. Now you see these spherical mirrors are of two. That is where you have your concave and convex mirror. Depends on which of the two reflecting sides is what being shaded. Now, majorly spherical mirrors look like this. They look like a curve like this. Altogether. Now, but parabolic mirror has a smaller radius of curvature. Let me tell you one thing. A spherical mirror has a larger radius. Are you getting me? The radius of curvature is large compared to a parabolic mirror. A parabolic mirror has a smaller radius of curvature, while this one has a larger radius of curvature, R. Altogether like that. Don't mind my arm. Look like something that's going to UK. Now, it has a larger radius of curvature, while this one has a smaller radius of curvature. This is a parabolic mirror. Altogether, that's why parabolic mirror finds a lot of application in a lot of uses in different applications altogether than the spherical mirror. Thank you so much. Now, let's continue. And I said earlier, a spherical mirror can be either a concave or convex. Depends on which of the surface. These are two surfaces now that are reflecting surface. Don't forget this is a transparent material, but we can make it to be a mirror. For it to be a mirror, then any of these two surfaces must be shaded, either the outer surface or the inner surface. Now, if the inner surface is shaded, then we have the outer surface as the reflecting surface. This kind of mirror is what we call a convex convex mirror. A convex mirror. This kind of mirror is known as what? A convex mirror. But if we have this and the outer surface is shaded while the inner surface is left as a reflecting surface, it is known as a concave mirror. A concave mirror and a convex mirror. All together? So we can have a concave mirror and a convex mirror. This is concave, the outer surface is shaded. This is convex, the inner surface is what? Shaded. That is the two types of image and the two types of mirror that we'll have. And then the parabolic mirror. Parabolic mirror is always a typical example of a concave mirror because the outer surface is always shaded. Are we together like that? Now, this mirror has a lot of application. Like a plane mirror finds its application as it can be used as a dentist mirror. A plane mirror can be used as a dentist mirror, and it can also be used in our car side mirror, but not as useful as convex mirror. Majorly, car side mirror, your side mirror of a car is what from what? It is made from convex mirror. And one of the reasons why we make use of convex mirror is because it has a wider field of view. A convex mirror has a wider field of view compared to a plane mirror. So a plane mirror has been replaced with a convex mirror in the application in using it as what? Car side mirror. Why? Because of the wider field of view that it has. This one does not have a wider field of view. Why? Because it produces the same kind of image. When we get to image, you know the kind of image that is being produced by these two types of mirrors all together. So because of the image, it cannot be used. It cannot be used as what? Car side mirror. Now, you know, see, this your concave mirror can also find application in what? As a shaving mirror. We can use as a shaving mirror, like all this our guy now, like we have what? All these small beers where they are here and there. We can use what? Concave mirror to use as what? Shaving mirrors. Are we together like that? Are we together? Now, you know, see this parabolic mirror. Parabolic mirror can be used as what? Car headlamp. Mirror that is found in for car headlamp will make use of parabolic mirror. Why? Because a parabolic mirror can produce a single focus. It can allow the light wave to be focused at one single point. I get it? Unlike a spherical mirror has an effect, can produce an effect which is known as spherical aberration. Spherical aberration. Now, this spherical aberration is an effect of mirror, but majorly it is an effect of a spherical mirror. What do you mean by spherical aberration? Spherical aberration simply means the formation of image at different focus on the principal axis. The formation of image of an object at different focus on the what? Principal axis. That's what we call spherical aberration. I get it? So that spherical aberration is corrected using a parabolic mirror. Are you getting something now? So a parabolic mirror can only form a single focus. The image will be focused at a single point. Are you getting it? The image of the object is focused at what? Single point. Because of this, a parabolic mirror is used as a car headlamp and can also be used as a searchlight. A mirror in what? Searchlights. Are we together with me like that? I think we're making sense with this thing. Are we together with that? Now, another thing I want you to know is that what? You see this plane mirror? Plane mirror is useful in your what? Barbing salon. I get the mirror that your barbers normally use is plane mirror. All together, they make use of plane mirror. So plane mirror is used as what? In barbing salon. Unlike all these what? Spherical mirrors. Are we together? That is that for that. If you are new to my channel, you can just simply dance into and just click on the subscribe button. On clicking on the subscribe, then jump out. Now, when you get like that, then you can easily click on the like button to like my video. Drop a comment and share the video. Thanks so much.